Unbelievable side effects of healing. When you learn how and integrate truly taking care of yourself and everything that means, you also wind up being able to keep plants alive. You go from black thumb to green thumb. I'll show you later in another video how I have well over 50 plants in my house, and I care for all of them and keep them alive when I used to be a black thumb. So an unbelievable side effect of healing is that the life force you improve within yourself shows up in how you can take care of plants. By paying more attention, more nuanced and deep and caring attention of you, on the inside, it flows outward to things like houseplants. You may even take better care of your pets because you're taking better care of you. Second side effect, when you heal, your energy actually changes. We all know this. When somebody is depressed or mopey or grumpy and in a bad mood, that is an energy. It is a vibe. When we heal, we get lighter and brighter in our vibe. That is an energy field that we have. And that means that without even intentionally trying, like equals like. From a lighter vibe, we attract lighter, brighter, healthier people into our lives. So many people who work with me have been negatively affected by narcissistic abuse. And one of the ongoing fears from that abuse is, oh my goodness, I don't want to attract any more narcissists. What is wrong with me? Why am I attracting narcissists? That low, depressed, low self-worth, low self-care, constantly confused vibe attracts more narcissism. When we heal, and our vibe gets lighter and brighter, we start to detract narcissists and attract more positive people who can actually be supportive, can actually be good friends to us instead of us just being good friends to them. An unbelievable side effect of healing is that healing ourselves changes our energy and our vibration and attracts healthier people towards us in the world. Number 3. We spend less and we save more. Now, how is that possible? Well, when we feel crappy, we tend to try to soothe ourselves with quick, easy things. Fast food, takeout, maybe gambling, alcohol, vices, going out to bars, spending online to try to get some good feelings, right? So when we heal and we basically grow into healthier internal feelings that can be more stable and continuous for us, what happens is that impulse to soothe by buying that Amazon thing or getting that greasy French fry, mac and cheese sort of food diminishes and lessens. So almost as if by magic, we tend to spend less and we're able to save more, or we're able to put our money where our values are instead of it sort of bleeding out as like a Band-Aid of self-care. Fourth side effect, you grow more of a backbone. You actually grow in self-respect. That shows up by being able to tell other people no. For recovering people pleasers, this is like magic. In caring about yourself more fully and more deeply, in getting more of your emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual needs met through self-development and healing work, you grow into self-esteem and self-worth that makes you no longer want to be the people pleaser of your earlier, younger years or life. You actually grow a backbone that can hold you and be strong when you're around pushy people or users or narcissists. Side effect number 5, unbelievable side effect of healing, drinking less. Now, for all kinds of reasons and for many, many, many decades, if not the beginning of time, humans have had a relationship with alcohol, right? I was a New Orleans bartender. I was a big drinker in my youth. Without even trying, I don't drink anymore. As I took better care of my body, I could see with every drink that it took me away from taking care of my body. It wasn't that I had a drinking problem. It was that alcohol no longer made sense as part of my self-care. That developed for me naturally, and it has developed for so many clients who have worked with me over the years. Self-care is exponential and the self-care that we do today will exponentially positively affect us in ways we cannot even imagine right now. The sixth side effect, you negotiate better for yourself. You won't put up with dysfunction. End result, people make more money and go further in their careers. How is that possible? Because healing is a self-respect journey. And what you do in here to work on the inside flows outward. And what once was allowable and okay in terms of poor behavior, poor pay, poor benefits, poor work environment becomes no longer acceptable. And we either negotiate for more and better where we are, or we know our worth and we take ourselves to what's right and next for us. Often resulting in a higher career position, better placement, and yes, what all of us are working towards, more money. Unbelievable. I'm calling it a positive side effect of healing. We get less people in our lives, but the people that stay or that we allow are of much higher quality. When we are unhealed, anxious, depressed, people-pleasing, we allow for so many people in our lives. We think it's right to try to serve everybody who wants a piece of us. As we learn to value ourselves, we learn to value our time, our energy, our bandwidth, and we learn to respect the way that we feel when we spend time with other people. So what happens on a healing journey often is that we shed people like snakes shed skin because we evolve. And in that evolution, we may have less people, which can be a little scary at the beginning of that process. But the quality of the people we keep is so much higher. Unbelievable side effect of mental and emotional healing. We exercise more. Our bodies get stronger and get in better shape. Now, how does that happen? Well, it doesn't happen overnight. But for people who truly have a seeker spirit, as we seek change, as we self-develop with more self-respect and self-regard, we no longer can walk around like a cut-off head from the body, just thinking. It begins to make more deep sense to us that part of self-respect is genuinely taking care of this body. There was a time in my life when I was carrying 50 pounds more than I carry today. I felt heavy. I felt weighted down. I felt confused. I soothed myself with food. As I no longer needed to soothe myself with food, I changed the way that I ate. And as I changed the way that I ate, I changed the way that I treated this body. Not because I had to, not because I should have, not because people told me to, because I genuinely wanted to love and care for myself so. I would love to see you in the Patreon and have you share some unbelievable outcomes that you have had from your own healing journey. I shared a lot of mine with you today. I'm excited to know that there are even more for me coming that are unbelievable to me now, but definitely possible. More than that, probable. If you would like to come share your experience, please come find us at patreon.com/emotionalbadass and come share what are your insights into your unbelievable positive side effects of your healing journey. I am an emotional badass. You are an emotional badass. And together, we are where Moxie meets mindful. Till next time, light and love. Bye-bye.